In this video you'll learn how to do proof that not everything can be an album cover on TikTok. This is trending all over TikTok, so I'll show you how to do it. To do this trend you need the CapCut application, so go ahead and get it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've done that, open your browser. And you need to go to this website. You can see the link is in the description. After you open the link, scroll down and click Use Template in CapCut. And then tap on Use Template at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, add 5 videos from your gallery. Once you've done that, tap Preview. Now check your video to make sure it's good, and then tap on the Export button. Then tap on Export without watermark. After this process completes, TikTok app will automatically open. And here do your things, and you can post to TikTok.